Okay, in this problem, we're looking at these wires and they're all made from the same material, and we want to rank them in order from largest to smallest. Um, and so we're comparing the resistance values. So we're going to use let's see, we're going to use the equation, let's write it over here, R is equal to the resistivity times the length of the wire divided by the area. And so we know that for each of these wires, my area is just the cross-sectional area of each one. So I have, if this is my wire, this is my area, and we're going to say that my area is equal to pi r squared. Okay, so if we want to do, let's start here and we'll look at, we'll call this one 1, 2, oh, they're already labeled. Okay, great, labeled already. So we'll start with 1, and we're going to say R1 is equal to, so they're all the same material, so I can use the same row, and the length is L, and my area is going to be pi capital R squared. If we look at R2, we're going to have the same row, L, and then my pi, and then R squared is going to be 2R squared, right? Because my radius here is 2R. For R3, oops, what are you doing? R3 is equal to rho. My length is 2L, and my radius is 2R, so I'm going to have 2R squared again. Up. And so I'm on 4, so R4 is equal to rho times 2L, and then pi R squared, because I have R right there. And then R5 is equal to rho 4L and pi times 2R squared. Okay, so let's see, so R2 here is equal to, so I'm going to have rho L over pi R squared, and I'm going to have 1/4. Okay, so that's the same as R1, except it's 1/4 of the value. My R3, so R3 is going to be, so rho L over pi R squared. Then I have 2 over 4. R4 is going to be rho L over pi R squared and times 2. And then my rho, I think I made this 4 and it should be 5. Let's just move up just a little bit. R5, did it again. It's equal to rho L over pi R squared. Then I have a 4 on top and I have a 4 on the bottom. Okay, so looking at my results here, I see that R1 and R5 are equal, right? So my R1 is rho L over pi R squared, and then my 4's cancel. So right now I see that R1 is equal to R5. Okay, now let's look at R2. So R2 is 1/4 of that value. So let's start putting them in order. So I'm going to say R2 is the smallest, and let's see what the question asks again too. Rank from largest to smallest. Okay. So my largest I see is R4. So R4 is going to be my biggest because I've got 2 right here. So it's twice the size of R1. R3 is half. Okay, so I'm going to have R4 is the biggest, and then I'm going to have R1 equal to R5. They come next. So it's R4 is twice. R1 and 5 are just rho L over pi R squared. R3 is next because it's a half. And then Where's the fourth? R2. R2 is the smallest. So there we go. We've ranked all of the resistance values.